Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video, and if you are my return subscriber, thank you for always clicking to watch my videos. Today I'm making a natural remedy for cold and flu. For this tea you need cucumbers, some fresh mint, and half of a lemon. I'm now going to make the tea. Firstly, I'll add my mints. After that, I'll add my hot water. These can help with cold and flu and can help relieve sore throats. I'm now going to let that sit and brew for 5 minutes before I add my cucumber and lemon juice. After 5 to 10 minutes, it's now looking like this. It's now time to squeeze in my half a lemon. I'll give that a quick stir. I'm now going to add my fresh cucumber slices, just for that extra freshness. This is your lovely hot tea for cold and flu. Let me know in the comment section below which country you watch me from. As we are now come to the end of the video, kindly like, share, comment, and please subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.